So this morning, I have made Storm one of the Wolf Daddy specials, a meal that is made primarily for his skin and his coat, so that he can help grow his coat back, which has been in real trouble. We just found out yesterday as he went to the dermatologist why his coat's in trouble. He's got a bacteria on his skin. So I've got some special nutrients in his meal this morning. I was really hesitant to think that he wouldn't eat it. He is loving it, loving it. And so I'm going to continue to prepare his food special for the skin and his coat and his immune system to help fight this bacteria. He's on antibiotics for the next 7 days, and hopefully that will give his skin the chance to start to heal. And then with the awesome Wolf Daddy recipes, his coat will start to improve. So we're going to keep tabs on his coat, keep you up to date on a regular basis, and just see how the Wolf Daddy coat meal works out for the Stormy. All right, here we go. He is. Putting a scent roll on the bowl. That's good. I could drop the bowl, dude. He's good. Okay, let me have it. Let me have it, please. Let me have it. Let me have it. The bowl. Hey. Let me have the bowl. He's never been fed the bowl since he was a tiny baby. That's kind of funny. Give me that. Give it. Oh, come on, man. Give it up. Like, this is delicious. Taking the